What's going on, everybody? We are gonna go out to the harbor today, do some saltwater fishing off the kayak. Hopefully we could catch some spotties or halibut, something like that. It's pretty hot by home, so gonna be out here on the coast and try to stay cool. So when I got here, I was thinking it was gonna be a nice sunny day, just not hot like it is at home. But the weather quickly changed and the fog rolled in. What was just a bluebird sky only 20 minutes ago while I was unloading my truck changed to overcast with a thick marine layer coming in. Here I'm fishing my double drop shot rig, putting a little pro cure on it. The scent always helps. Run a little crawdad imitation on the bottom, a little bait fish on top. So fishing two sections of the water column, hopefully get bit. On this rig, I'm fishing a Cool Baits underspin with a Damiki, whatever their little swim bait trailer is. Just trying to have something I can drag around behind me and something I could actually swim through the water. So we'll see what gives it bit first, the drop shot or the underspin. Wasn't really having any luck in the main channel, so I'm going to go over here and check out some of the docks and see if I can get something off of the structure. I didn't mention it earlier, but it was a outgoing tide today. Anybody home? Knock, knock. Oh, damn, missed him. Oh no, he's still there. He's still there. You. And the trusty underspin comes through again. This is probably one of my favorite baits to throw. I don't know if it's just the blade or the small swim bait, but I usually get bit when I can't get a bite on anything else. Well, this one's got a set of shoulders on him. So we got bait on the underspin. I'm going to try fishing a crankbait. This is a Norman deep dive. I think it's a DD22. I don't know, deep dive something. It's the Norman DD22. I don't know how deep the water is here, so I'm just going to use the deepest crankbait I have and hopefully can find a fish and get bait on the hard bait. More cast on the crank, haven't got one bite or anything. Probably going to switch it up and move to a different spot here, see if we can find some more active fish to get on. Oh, what do we have here? Looks like something picked up the drop shot. Got him. Oh, it's a nice little halibut. Little pancake. guys haven't caught a halibut before, they have super sharp teeth, so don't just stick your fingers in the mouth to get your hook out, or you will be pleasantly surprised by their jawline. Boop.
Check it out, little halibut, just landed them on the drop shot. Later, buddy.
Gonna see if we can maybe get another spotty or two off the last stretch of docks before we get back to the truck. I did not end up getting any more bites on the main channel, so I think we're gonna wrap it up for the day. 2 bites is better than no bites. What's up, guys? So we just got back. We ended up catching a spotty on the underspin and the halibut on the drop shot. So pretty good day, better than the skunk like last time when we took the kayak out. So thanks for watching.